My full name is Julieta Solisa Quispe Vilca. I am a student. I am 22 years old. I am from Peruvian and live in the city of Puno. I like in the from my helmets. I do not like bad food. I like Puno music. I do not like music from the north. I love reading books that reflect on the lives. I do not love reading math books. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye.